Today we have a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is "Woman with Suspended License Tries Driving in Front of Cops."
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so don't miss out on future videos. An officer responded to a call in reference to a wellness check.
What's going on, ma'am?
Man, I just came from my brother real quick. I'm gonna head out. We don't mind.
No, your license is suspended. Don't drive.
No. You guys are sensitive.
Don't drive.
Not for me.
Don't.
Don't know. Don't. No keys, sweetheart. Just Nathan, you suck.
Hey, step me up a unit. Step me up a unit.
Shannon, you're
You can search the whole car. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. What? This is bullshit. This is I hate you. Why would you do this to me? You see Pickle Rick attack me? You like that? Please. I hate you. Please stop it. Please stop. You are such an asshole. You are too. I just want to put my stuff. I just want to put my stuff here. This is the biggest bullshit rabbit.
Hey, come on, man. I will help you. Don't slam her, please.
Back up. Just back up. I got her.
Listen.
You need to stop. You need to relax.
I'm not fighting. Please. Listen, these things are tight as.
Well, that's what happens when you fight.
Who the hell is this guy? I will help you. Don't slam her. Man, get your ass on, man. Get your ass on. I don't need your help, man. It's either you gonna help or you not, man. The only reason she would get slammed is because she's not cooperating. Fucking guys, man. These guys. I will help you. Don't you slam her. What? Man, you better back up, man. Is this Florida? They got that 25 feet rule, right? Don't they?
I just want to put my
Back your ass up, man.
This is the biggest bullshit rabbit.
Hey, come on, man. I will help you. Don't slam her, please.
Back up. Just back up. I got her.
Yeah, don't need your help. Back up.
You need to relax.
I'm not fighting. Please. Listen, these things are tight as.
Well, that's what happens when you fight.
That's when you resist.
You do not. This cashmere.
I see that.
I'm not being disrespectful. I didn't do anything wrong. Why would you do this to me? I just want to put my stuff here.
2-hour-14 Northport, 1074.
I just want to
White
put
female
my stuff
detained.
here. Please, I'm not doing anything wrong. Thanks, I'm so sorry. Listen, these guys are so up. You're the most.
It's literally just coming up here to talk to you.
She's talking to me.
Okay.
She's talking
You did this to me. Why do you really think I need this?
I think you need
54, no code 3.
Such an asshole, Tom. Can I hit my vape?
No.
Can I hit my vape?
No, just
You're
relax.
really not gonna do this to me right now, Tom? Are you fucking serious? Let me
Walk her to the car, man. What the fuck are you doing?
No. Stop. Just stop.
You're such an asshole.
Step
You
out.
did this to me? Okay, fine.
Step out. Step out.
Turn up.
Step
This
out.
officer let her sit
I thought
back
you were
in
my
the
brother. I thought you
vehicle.
were my brother. I thought you were my brother.
Step out
I thought
now.
you were my brother. I thought
Step
you were.
out.
I'm done being nice with
I
you.
thought you were my brother.
Step out.
Step out.
You know how it's gonna go, sweetheart. Stop it. You know how it's about to
Do
go
you
down.
think you on?
Hey,
This is.
I don't care if it's too tight.
This is
You
too
keep
tight.
fighting. Of course it's going to be tight.
I'm not fighting you. I'm a
Step out.
female.
I don't care if you're a female.
Sweetie. Step out. Just
Grab your shoe and step out.
He's getting paid to get you.
Okay.
Just
No.
step out and I'll put your shoe out for you. Just step out and I'll get your shoe out for you.
Okay.
No,
Stop.
you're not going to control or dictate how this goes.
I thought I was going to Baker Acton. Can I please have? Coco!
Step out of the car. I'm not going to play your game. Step out of the car now, or I'm going to rip you out.
You want to hear a good joke?
This guy's
No,
doing a
step
piss poor
out.
job,
I
man.
will. Can I put my shoe on? Because it.
Grab her by her arm and start dragging her ass to your freaking car. I don't even know why we were still even sitting here. You let her sit back in the vehicle, man. Like, let's come on, man.
It's my balance if I don't put it on. And I ain't gonna fight you. I came here to put my
You already
stuff
were fighting me.
on. Because you scared me, man. And I thought
This
you-
way.
Please. Can I hit the vape? I'm so sorry.
Should have been did
apologize.
this.
I just want to apologize. You have a record? You have camera?
Yes.
You have camera.
Stop resisting me.
Let me put my shoe on. I have a bad toe. I'll put my toe in your face. Ow! Stop, phone. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not your enemy.
I know you gotta do what
You were such an asshole, dude.
I will.
I would never
Dude, this
let
guy is
anybody
pissing me
get
off, too.
Yes.
My whole life, dog. You're hurting me. You are hurting me. You are straight up hurting me. You're hurting me.
Stop.
You're hurting
Stop.
me. Take a breath.
I am done with you.
He's
Stop.
hurting me. He's hurting me.
Stop.
Please put my shoe on. I don't have. I do have any. Wait, listen. Right now, listen. Listen to me right now.
He has every right to do whatever.
Listen to me right now.
Stop.
There's a needle in my
Stop.
bra. There's a needle
Stop.
in my bra. Before you
Stop.
I'm not fighting you.
I'm not going into your bra.
Okay. I'm just
you need
telling
me to
you.
remove it, I
motherfucker,
will.
You just it's so goddamn tight, motherfucker. Stop that! Put my shoe on. I want
No.
my shoe. You're disrespecting me so bad.
No, you're being stupid.
I'm not that
Can I
hurt.
please help you? Let me slam
That
her in the
hurt.
back.
No.
That
Get in there.
hurt.
Get
Let
in.
me slam her.
Get in. No, I can't
Don't
do
let
that.
me.
Turn around and sit down.
Stop.
Put your feet in the car now.
No. Why would you do this?
Because
to me?
you need help.
I don't need help.
I am so sorry.
It's not your fault.
A needle hanging out of her bra, man.
Can I take the keys out of her pocket?
I didn't feel any keys in her pocket when I.
Okay. I'm
So just
asking.
wait until I get more people here.
I just want to hit my vape one time, please.
Why are you acting the way you're acting?
Because you scared me.
No,
I apologize.
not me.
I apologize because you
I
told
pulled
me
up. I told you your license is suspended, and you proceed to hop in the car and put it in reverse anyways.
because I'm scared. I apologize.
You weren't driving, so you weren't gonna go.
Man, where is his backup, man? They taking forever. If this is what step it up means, boy, I do not want to be working for this police department because he said step it up. He said that a while ago. Let me see. 1754. So he said that. When did he say that? 1754. 48, 54. Oh, so it's been less than 10 minutes. Okay. All right. It seems like it's been a lot longer than what it actually has.
Why are you acting the way you're acting?
Because you scared me.
No,
I apologize.
not me.
I apologize because
I pulled up. I told you your license is suspended, and you proceed to hop in the car and put it in reverse anyways.
Because I'm scared. I apologize.
You weren't driving, so you weren't gonna go to jail at that point.
I know. I just got a little spooked. Yeah, I promise I won't drive. I promise
We're
I
past
won't
that
drive.
point. What's the deal with you making the statements that you want to go out in the woods and kill yourself?
I never said that.
Nah, I'm gonna take their word over yours right now.
No, I never said that. Would you believe that? They're searching my cars like animals. I
Okay.
just got here. I just was driving. I'm not saying no.
So you didn't make the statements that you wanted to kill yourself.
Nope.
Do you want to kill yourself?
Nope. Not at all. I do like that. I like something like
Come
that. I'm a real person. I'm the president. I know what happened. Look at this. I can tell good jokes.
So why
And good jokes.
did you just hold on. Why did you just automatically assume that you were gonna be Baker acted when I showed up?
Because my brother said that. So that's what's.
Okay. He doesn't get the all tail sign of what happens.
Thank you, but it still scares me.
So I can tell you right now. I mean, you're gonna go to jail for resisting.
Please, I'm sorry. Please don't make me. I'm so
Nah,
sorry.
we're past that point.
Please, I'm so sorry.
You made me fight you the entire time.
You liked it.
No,
You too.
no. She said she has a syringe in her bra.
I just told you straight up.
Is it capped?
Yes. Of course. That would be crazy if it wasn't. That would be a crazy. You. It's really right in the middle, like a cross. Like I'm not hiding it at all.
Okay, I feel it. I'm gonna go up your shirt, down
Okay.
your shirt, and grab this
Feel
guy.
me?
There's no room for 'em
I love
like that.
judgmentalists. Listen, if you pull the top, you're gonna pull away from it. So okay, thank you.
Yep.
Okay.
I just need bed clear. I'm sorry.
No, one call, but you can go to room 9.
Room 9.
No, there's one in room 9.
Have a seat on the bed. Just have a seat.
Yes, sir.
In the end, 42-year-old Shannon was charged with resisting arrest without violence. She pled no contest and was adjudicated guilty. She was ordered to pay $323 in costs and fees. According to the court record, she is yet to pay any amount towards this fine. If you like this video,
Yeah, she ain't got no money. What do you expect her to pay? That's all these guys do. They fine. You better off just giving them 90 days and over them fines, because listen, you gotta know who you can give fines to and who you can't. And I know that the justice system, it's a money pit. You know what I mean? But you can't hit broke motherfuckers with fines. You might as well just get them the jail time. And then the guys that can afford it a little something, you get them the fines, you know? If you actually want the money. Because you ain't gonna get that money from them. But yeah, man. I don't know. I get an officer, man. I give him a 3, man. Just because I feel like you let her go back inside the car, like, because you got her handcuffed and now y'all just sitting there. Y'all just standing there. You know, she's talking to the guys and yada yada. Like, you get her cuffed and you get her to your vehicle. Only after she went and sat in the vehicle and all that other stuff, now you want to get her to the vehicle. Like, I'm just like, come on, man. Yeah, so I'm gonna give a 3. It's somewhere between a 3 and a 4, you know, somewhere in there. But yeah, I think he could have did a lot better, but it is what it is. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.